You know, as a commercial kitchen owner, you're constantly on the lookout for appliances that can keep up with your demanding schedule. And let me tell you, the Cleanblend Blender is a game changer. It's not just another blender, it's a powerhouse that can handle even the toughest tasks with ease. Whether you're making smoothies, soups, or sauces, this blender has got you covered. So, what exactly is the Cleanblend Blender? It's a high-performance blender designed specifically for commercial kitchens like yours. With its sleek and durable design, it's built to withstand the rigors of heavy use. And with a range of features that make it incredibly versatile, you'll be wondering how you ever managed without it. Let's take a closer look at the specs. The Cleanblend Blender comes with a 1800W motor, which gives it 3 HP of power. That's enough to handle even the toughest ingredients with ease. It also has a 64-ounce capacity, which means you can make large batches of your favorite recipes without having to stop and start the blender multiple times. The blender itself is made from stainless steel, which is not only durable but also resistant to corrosion. Plus, it's completely BPA-free, so you can rest assured that your customers are getting the safest possible products. And with a 5-year warranty, you can trust that the Cleanblend Blender will be a reliable addition to your kitchen for years to come. But what really sets this blender apart is its ability to handle a wide range of tasks. Whether you're making thick and creamy sauces or blending hot ingredients like soup, the Cleanblend Blender can handle it with ease. And with its advanced cooling system, it can even handle high-speed blending without overheating. This makes it perfect for kitchens that are working at high volumes, where every minute counts. But don't just take my word for it. In the real world, this blender performs incredibly well. I've used it to make everything from creamy sauces to chunky smoothies, and it's never let me down. Whether you're working in a busy cafe or a high-end restaurant, this blender is sure to become your new best friend. One of the things I love about the Cleanblend Blender is its ease of use. The controls are simple and intuitive, making it easy to get started right away. And with its large capacity, you can make multiple batches at once, which saves time and increases productivity. Plus, the stainless steel design is easy to clean and maintain, which means you'll be spending less time cleaning up and more time focusing on what matters most, your customers. So what's my verdict? I'd give the Cleanblend Blender a solid 9 out of 10. It's an absolute powerhouse that's designed to meet the demands of commercial kitchens like yours. It's durable, versatile, and easy to use, making it a must-have for any kitchen that's serious about quality. And with its 5-year warranty, you can trust that it'll be a reliable addition to your kitchen for years to come. If you're looking for a blender that can keep up with your busy schedule, look no further than the Cleanblend Blender. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and kitchen tips.